Hello, welcome to Trend Trading channel. So make sure everyone click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. And I believe everyone are part of my free Telegram channel. If not, the link is available in the description or on your bottom of your screen. You could see a link where you can go ahead and join. So first of all, let's see what is the market behaved today. Because yesterday I have shared one trade plan, one trade strategy where you can trade in terms of Bank Nifty. The levels which I was told was all about 38,530 to 38,620, 630 levels. This is the important zone which I was speaking yesterday's session. This was the zone which I was speaking, and my plan was very simple. If price goes to this zone and get a rejection and close clearly below it with a what bearish candle, which I was speaking, bearish candle like this, below this I will be shorting and I will be placing stop loss few points above this. So that was the same one behavior which took place here. Price trying to went up and it came down. We got this bearish candle. Let me zoom it and show you if the charts are not very clear enough. Yes, price went to this zone, got a rejection. This is the bearish candle which was formed. So it's very simple trade. I was planning to do this trade which I have shared in yesterday's session, a short below this by keeping few points above stop loss above this for a target of what? Anything below 38 to 50 levels, 250 or 240 levels. Very small stop loss and target was this till this point. This was target and this was just a small stop loss which was coming into play. Okay, so now moving on. So let's look at what happened on today's trading session. Morning there was a small short covering rally, but unable to sustain, and price came back. A small pullback, and then again one more rejection which we have got today. So now this zone. There are two zones which is important, two major zones which will play an important role on tomorrow's trading session. Okay, this zone. 38 430 to 38 300 levels will play an important role. This zone of 120 130 points will play an important role tomorrow. Again, the rule is same. If price comes to this zone and get a rejection, and we are getting the same scenario, I'm speaking again, a bearish candle formation. Don't think yesterday you also told the same, today you are also telling the same, but the practically markets are behaving in the same way. This kind of bearish candle, I will be planning a short side trade below this. A candle has to close clearly below this 38 300 mark. I will be shorting below this and I will be placing few points above, exactly not above this candle, I few points, giving a 20-25 points buffer. In future, in option I will be giving 10-12 points maximum buffer. Unexpected target is very clean enough. Anything below 38,000 20 to 38,050 levels will be my lookable target when it comes to Bank Nifty. Okay, this comes to the 5-minute time frame. Let's move on to the 30-minute time frame. This zone is very important. So one zone, if you want, you can mark it down 37 900 to 37 830. This zone of 70 points which I marked in the yellow colored line, this zone is very important. Tomorrow, if price easily crossing and started trading below it, or price crossing trying to come back and getting a rejection, anyway, both the ways, if this is the case, I'll be using the breakdown to plan a short side trade. Expected target is somewhere anything below 37 600 levels, and if price comes down easily, bears are pushing the price down very easily, a pullback and a rejection, I'll be planning a short side trade. Same target is 37 600 to 37 550 odd levels. This will be my plan strategy for tomorrow. Two strategy for tomorrow on Bank Nifty. Now move on to the let's move on to the Nifty. Nifty was more overlapping. This was morning high which was made. Later on price came near to it, but no, price again came down. It was an up overlapping, down overlapping, again an up move, small overlapping, and then market closed near low again. This zone in Nifty 17,840 to 17,800 will be very important for the Nifty. Bank Nifty is slightly looking more weaker in compared to the Nifty. So this zone will be very important in Nifty 17,840 to 17,800 levels. Okay, if price trying to move down multiple time getting a rejection but not clearly moving down, if price goes into a consolidation phase, I'll be planning a buy side trade by using this breakout as an opportunity for Nifty 60 to 70 points trade in future. Okay, now moving on to one more simple plan. This is the zone which is multiple time getting sellers are troubling. They are not allowing the buyers to push the price up. This zone is almost 60 point zone, 60 points range. So tomorrow again the rule is same. If price comes to this zone and gets a rejection, if a clear bearish candle closing, if you are getting a clear bearish candle closing below this zone of 17,970 to 75 zone, I'll be shorting below this candle. This is 5-minute time frame I'm speaking. I'll be shorting below this, few points above this I'll be placing stop loss, and I will be expecting the price to tag 17,865 to 870 levels very easily. This will be my tomorrow's trade strategy when it comes to Nifty and Bank Nifty.